3 whole 1 upon 5 plus 2 whole 1 upon 10 minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Solution. Given 3 whole 1 upon 5 plus 2 whole 1 upon 10 minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. First we change the mixed fraction into improper as 3 5 are 15, 1 16 upon 5 plus 10 2 are 20 plus 1 21 upon 10 minus 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Then we take LCM of 5, 10, 2 and 4. 5, 10, 2 and 4. Find divisible by 2, 5, 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4. Again divisible by 2, we get 5, 5, 1, 2 1 are 2, 1. Again by 5, 1, 1, 1 and 1. This is called prime factor. LCM of 5, 10, 2 and 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 20. Now we write the LCM is 20. 20 divided by 5. We write 16 into 5 4 are 24 plus 21 multiplied by 10 2 are 20 minus 3 into 2 10 are 20 minus 1 into 4 5 are 25 equal to multiply 64 plus 21 2 are 42 minus 10 3 are 30 minus 5 1 are 5 upon 20. We get sum the like signs 4 2 6 4 6 10 106 minus 30 plus 5 35 upon 20 equal to 6 minus 5 1 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 20. This is improper fraction. We change it into mixed fraction as 23 are 60, 3 whole 11 upon 20. We can simplify this type of question which are given in brackets using the BODMAS rule. Question 2. A piece of wire 3 whole 3 upon 4 meter long broke into 2 pieces. One piece is 1.5 meter long. How long is the other piece? Solution. Given length of a piece of wire equal to 3 whole 3 upon 4 meter and length of one piece of wire equal to 1 whole 1 upon 2 meter. We have to find out the length of other piece. Length of other piece equal to, as we know, the total length is given and one piece length is also given, then the other piece length will be total length minus the length of one piece, as we get 3 whole 3 upon 4 minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 equal to 4 3 are 12 plus 3 15 upon 4 minus 2 1 are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. These are unlike. So first we find the LCM of 4 and 2. LCM of 4 and 2 equal to 4. You can find it easily. Equal to 4. 4 1 ja 4. That is 15 multiplied by 1 minus 3 into 2. 2 ja 4. 4 divided by 2. LCM divided by the denominator. We get 2. And multiply the numerator. 3 into 2 equal to 15 minus 6 upon 4. 15 minus 6, that is 9 upon 4 meter. Change into mixed fraction. 4 2 ja 8, 2 whole 1 upon 4 meter. Hence length of other piece equal to 2 whole 1 upon 4 meter. A tin contains 18 kg ghee. After consuming 2 upon 3 of it, how much ghee is left in the tin? First, we have to understand what is the question. The question is total weight of ghee in the tin is 18 kg and 2 upon 3 of 18 kg consumed, means खर्च हो गया, खा गया. But how much ghee is left in the tin? अब tin में कितना बचा हुआ? Solution. Total weight of ghee in a tin equal to 18 kg. Ghee consumed equal to 2 upon 3 of 18 kg equal to 2 upon 3 into 18 kg. that is 3 6 18, 2 into 6 kg equal to 2 6 12 kg. Ghee consumed by a person equal to 12 kg. We have to find out how much ghee is left in the tin. Ghee left in the tin equal to total weight minus ghee consumed equal to 18 minus 12 kg equal to 6 kg. Hence, ghee left in the tin equal to 6 kg. Question 4 is, Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer in 7 whole 3 upon 4 hours on foot. How many kilometer per hour does he walk? As question, we can understand that the distance traveled in the given time means total distance and total time. We have to find out the speed of Vikas in kilometer per hour. The solution is total distance covered equal to 20 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer. Total time taken to travel equal to 7 whole 3 upon 4 hours. Now we have to find out kilometer per hour. Distance covered per hour equal to total distance upon total time taken equal to 20 whole 2 upon 3 divided by 7 whole 3 upon 4. Change into improper. We get 23 is 60 plus 2. 62 upon 3 divide 7 4 is 28 and 3. 31 by 4. Now we change the divide into multiply. We take the reciprocal of the second term. 62 upon 3 multiply 4 upon 31 equal to 31 2 ja 62. Now we get 2 into 4 upon 3 into 1 equal to 8 upon 3 kilometer equal to 2 3 ja 6 2 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer per hour. Hence, distance covered by Vikas equal to 2 whole 2 upon 3 kilometer per hour. Question 5. Simplify. This question is based on BODMAS rule. Solution. Given 3 whole 2 upon 3 minus square bracket 4 divide curly bracket 2 whole 1 upon 2 minus round bracket 2 of 1 whole 1 upon 3 plus 1 whole 1 upon 9 plus 1. Round bracket close, curly bracket close and big bracket close. In this bracket, first we change the improper mixed fraction into improper. Equal to 3 3 ja 9 2 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket 2 2 ja 4 1 5 upon 2 minus round bracket 2 of changing to multiply 3 1 ja 3 1 4 upon 3 plus 9 1 ja 9 1 10 upon 9 plus 1 bracket closed equal to 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket 5 upon 2 minus, first we do the round bracket work, that is 4 2 ja 8 upon 3 plus 10 upon 9 plus 1 upon 1. Now first we solve the round bracket by taking the LCM of the denominator equal to 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket 5 upon 2 minus LCM of 3 and 9 is 9. 3 3 ja 9, that is 8 into 3 plus 10 into 1 plus 1 9 ja 9, 1 into 9 equal to 11 upon 3 minus 4 divide curly bracket 5 by 2 minus bracket 8 3 ja 24 plus 10 plus 9 upon 9 bracket close equal to 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket 5 by 2 minus, here we break out the round bracket, that is 24 plus 10 34, 34 plus 9 43, 43 upon 9 curly bracket close, big bracket close. Now we solve the curly bracket with same method, taking LCM of 2 and 9. 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket LCM of 2 and 9. 2 and 9, 9 2 ja 18. 5 multiply by 9 minus 43 into 2 equal to 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket 45 minus 86 by 80 equal to 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide curly bracket 86 is negative. These are in integers. So 86 is greater than 45. So the sign of the greater number will be taken. That is minus, and 86 minus 45 equal to 1, 3. 86 minus 45, that is 31. This is minus 86 minus 45. 6 minus 5, 1. And 8 minus 4, that is 4. The number is 41 minus 41 equal to minus 41 divided by 18 equal to 11 upon 3 minus big bracket 4 divide minus 41 upon 18 equal to 11 upon 3 minus bracket 4 upon 1 multiply by minus 18 upon 41 equal to 11 upon 3 minus 18 4 ja 72 minus 72 upon 41. Now breaking the square bracket at last, we get 11 upon 3 minus minus plus 72 upon 41 equal to LCM of 3 and 41. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. 123. 11 into 41 plus 72 into 3. That is 11 1 ja 11, 1, 11 4 ja 45 and 1. 451 plus 2 3 ja 6, 7 3 ja 21 upon 123 equal to 617 516 426 upon 1 2 3 equal to 667 divided by 123. This is 12 5 ja 65 times 5 3 ja 15, 1, 5 2 ja 10, 1 11, carry over 1, 5 1 ja 5 1 6. That is 7 minus 5, 2, 6 minus 1. That is 5. So 5 whole 52 upon 123. This is the simplification. This is the answer of this question. And this type of long question will be also given in your book. You have to simplify it. This is